Atkins Civil 3D Video Series, SPD2, Road Improvement Sheet Production Drawings. This video illustrates A. XREF drawings into sheet production base drawing. B. Copy paper space viewports to model space. C. Modify and scale viewports in model space. D. Place viewports onto objects in model space. E. Adjust objects in paper space viewports. And F. Modify the labels in paper space. The Road Improvement SPD drawing that was created in Video SPD1 is currently opened. The Road Improvement SPD drawings consist of the plan and profile, road cross sections, and driveway profile drawings. These drawings are created in paper space by displaying the various drawing elements in their appropriate viewport window on each drawing. XREF of drawings, XR, enter. To open the external references palette, select the attached drawing icon, select the road improvement drawing, open. In the dialog box, scale 1, do not place check mark, rotation 0, do not place check mark, insertion point 0, 0, 0, do not place check mark, OK. It takes a while for the road improvement drawing to load. Zoom extents, ZE, enter, OK to regen. It also takes a while to regen. The XREF of the road improvement drawing is displayed. Select the attached drawing icon. In the Drawings Design folder, select Title Block, open, Drawing Scale, enter 20. Do not specify on screen, do not place check mark. Rotation 0, do not place check mark. Insertion point, yes, place check mark, OK. Place title block in a clear area to the right of the road plan drawing. Select the attached drawing icon again. Select the notes drawing, open, scale 20. Do not specify on screen, rotation 0, do not specify on screen, insertion point, yes, specify on screen, OK. Place the notes drawing to the right of the title block. SA to save drawing, save. Road Improvement SPD drawing, save, yes to replace the current saved drawing. Copy paper space viewports to model space in paper space for the PP rectangle layout sheet. It takes a while to change from model space to paper space. Copy clip. To open the Windows copy command, pick each viewport. Enter. Model space. Paste the viewports in a clear area. Paste clip. Pick a clear area. Zoom in. A rectangle polyline needs to be drawn on layer view model around each viewport. RECT to start the rectangle command. Snap on. Pick the lower left corner of a viewport and then pick the upper right corner of the viewport. Enter to restart the rectangle command and draw rectangles for all viewports. Escape. Viewports are created in paper space at a scale of 1 inch equals 1 foot. When inserted into model space, they need to be scaled to the improvement drawing scale of 1 inch equals 20 feet so that they can be easily seen. SC, enter. To start the scale command, pick each rectangle polyline. Enter. Select the lower left corner and enter 20. Enter. E, enter. To start the erase command, use Windows to select all of the viewports. that were copied to model space. Enter. Escape to stop erase command. The plan view is not ortho to world coordinates. The plan viewport rectangle needs to be aligned with the drawing plan orientation. Draw a line at the desired orientation of the plan view along the Kincaid alignment. L, enter to start the line command. Pick a point along the Kincaid alignment. Pick another point that is along the alignment. Enter. Move the line to the plan viewport. M, enter. Pick the line. Enter. Pick the left end of the line. Pick a corner of the plan viewport. Enter. AL, enter to start the align command. Pick the plan viewport. Enter. First point, pick the corner of the viewport. Second point, pick the end point of the line. Third point, pick the other corner of the viewport. Fourth point, pick the end point of the line and enter twice. Move the viewport. M, enter. Pick the viewport. E, enter to start the erase command and erase the line. Enter. Escape to stop the erase command. Set the plan viewport rectangles. C, O, enter. Pick the plan viewport. Enter. For the base point, pick the midpoint of the left line of the viewport rectangle. Insert point. Pick the Kincaid alignment at station 12 plus 0, 0. Without depressing escape, pick additional midpoints of the previously inserted right line of the viewport rectangle. Escape when finished. Individual viewport rectangles may be moved vertically with no problem. Since the viewports are set up for a horizontal distance of 500 feet at a scale of 1 inch equals 20 feet, it is more difficult to move individual viewports horizontally. When working with the planned viewports, it is recommended to set the UCS coordinates to the alignment of the viewport. UCS, enter. OB, enter. Pick a bottom or top line of the viewport near the left endpoint. Escape. M, enter to start the move command. Pick the fourth viewport. Polyline. Enter. Pick anywhere with ortho on. F8. Move the cursor vertical and enter 5. Escape to stop the command. Enter to restart the M command. Pick the last viewport. Enter. Pick anywhere and move vertically and enter 10. Escape to stop the command. Set the UCS coordinates to world. UCS, enter. W, enter. Set the profile viewport rectangles. CO, enter. Pick the profile viewport rectangle. Enter. Pick the lower left corner. Insert point in the Kincaid profile view. With snap intersection on, pick the intersection of the station 12 plus 0, 0 vertical line with a 5-foot elevation horizontal grid line whereby the profile data is approximately centered vertically within the viewport border. Without depressing escape, pick additional grid line intersections along the right side of the previously inserted profile viewport rectangle. Depress escape when finished. The individual viewport rectangles need to be at the same stations horizontally as the planned viewports, but may be moved vertically with no problem. The borders around the title block and road construction notes correspond to the title block and construction notes viewports and do not need to be set. The adjustment of the paper space viewports and completion of the first plan and profile sheet is illustrated in the next video, SPD 2-2. This video is a part of the Civil 3D video series created by Gerald Atkins of Atkins Engineering. Visit www.atkengr.com for instruction manuals, tutorial drawings, template drawings, and Civil 3D videos.